Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are about to show you how to assemble the BK1021EQ3 refractor telescope with equatorial mount. Let's proceed to the video. Start by spreading the legs of your tripod. Take note that you can adjust the height of your tripod by untightening the hand screw and pulling the tube in and out. Place your tripod on a flat and leveled surface. Next, put on your head mount on the top of your tripod. Just remember that this notch must be in the middle of these two hand screws. Put it on top, then use this knob to tighten your head mount. These two hand screws should be tightened so your head mount won't move left and right. Next, we will put the counterweight shaft bar onto your mount. But first, you need to attach this hand tight. This will tighten the shaft bar when you twist it like this. Just twist it out. Next is attaching the accessories tray. Just simply take off this hand screw and slide your accessories tray and put back this hand screw. Next is putting in your counterweights. Just slide this out. You don't need to be confused. You can put this one here or this one on the top. Don't forget to put this stopper screw so you can avoid the counterweights from sliding and falling down to your feet. So your next step is attach the dovetail and the tube rings to your head mount. Most of the times when you take it out from the carton, this tube ring and dovetail is already attached to your telescope tube. So we recommended for you to take it off so it will be easy for you sliding it in here. Next, we are ready to put our refractor tube to the tube rings. Just open these hand screws, open your tube ring, and put the refractor tube on top of your tube rings. But be careful not to slide the tube ring down. You simply put back these hand screws and then slowly tighten the tube rings for your telescope support. Next step is putting your control cables to your head mount. The short one or the long one can go here or here. It doesn't matter. So you just put this in and tighten the screws. Next step is putting your finder scope to your telescope tube. Just open this hand screw, slide in the finder scope and tighten it. At the same time, you can also put your 2-inch diagonal. Then, your eyepiece. So, there you have it. Right now, you know how to assemble the BK1021EQ3 refractor telescope with an equatorial mount. So, for more information about this telescope right here, you can check out our website at www.perfectsciences.com, or you may visit us on your free time here in our showroom. Again, from Kamal, alouloum, we thank you for watching this video. Masalamat.